A new space designed for hands-on creators, makers, builders, and designers has hit UA Little Rock's campus.
Whether you're sketching, experimenting, or bringing concepts to life, the new creative hub is ready for students to make something happen. Woody Thomas takes a closer look.
So this is our schematic. We've already kind of started mapping out where everything is going to go.
A new campus space inspiring creativity through technology has arrived on UA Little Rock's campus. The Trojan Forge is the ultimate hub for students who thrive on hands-on learning and real-world projects, like Brandon Solers, the Director of Academic Affairs.
We are now in the Forge. Our furniture is ordered, our construction is done. We're just putting on the finishing touches, and soon we'll launch in August.
The Trojan Forge will host tools such as 3D printers, laser cutters, vinyl cutters, screen printing equipment, and woodworking tools. Resources made accessible through the dedicated efforts of Will Fossil.
I can think of several practical applications where they might want to use that to model something, to act as a figurine to represent something. And my job is to make it as accessible as possible for those types of students.
There's even a space for students who prefer using their voices instead of their hands.
We'll have a full audio booth with recording equipment for podcasts, cameras for videography.
The Trojan Forge opens in August, right before the fall semester. It's located in the library, and it's sure to make a big impact.
Finally seeing it, physically be constructed, purchasing the equipment, seeing all of the other staff help us with this program. It's been really amazing being a part of a service that I really think is going to bring a lot of attention to the Oppenheimer Library.